I've been here with my mom and dad and my brothers. We was walking, talking, you know. So yeah, that's why I ain't record. I could have recorded yesterday, but I didn't really want to. So yeah. It's a beautiful morning. It's like 60 degrees out, and skies are clear. It's a beautiful day, man. It's a beautiful day. Those of you out there that's sitting in the house, you know, get up, stop being lazy, get outside, get your steps in, because you know your health is the most important thing. So yeah, get out that house, start grinding now, get them steps in, man. This pollen is killing me, bro. Oh my gosh. It's flying everywhere. They're cutting grass. That's making it even worse. Bro, it's all on my sweats, bro. Y'all probably can't see them on the camera, but bro, this pollen ain't no joke for real. So yeah, I'm sniffing and stuff. I got a little cough too, so yeah. I'm still out here though. Y'all, I'm about to attempt to do a backflip. It's been a minute since I did one. Well, I did a back handspring. Well, that was like 7 years ago. I was young. I did a back handspring, but I want to do a backflip like with no hands. All right, here we go. Take two. Take two. Oh, I can't do it. I'm scared. I'm scared, bro. Oh, that hurt my stomach. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oof. Oof. My stomach. My ribs hurt. I'm not doing that again, bro. I said I was gonna do it. It's been a minute since I did that. I was supposed to do it with no hands, but I don't trust myself doing that. I might hurt myself, bro. I'm about to get back to walking, though.